Hi there and welcome to our pronunciation reference course. My name's Sophie and I'm a qualified TEFL tutor. I'll be teaching you the 44 English sounds. The sound that we're going to be learning today is the sound Y. That sound again? Y. Now the sound Y can be found in lots and lots of words, but the three words that we're going to be focusing on are the words you, yes and year. Those words again? You, yes and year. Now your turn. Perfect. Now the sound Y is described as a voiced sound, which means that we use our vocal cords to vibrate the sound. We also know it as a palatal approximate. I know, a long word. What does that mean? Well, a palatal approximate means that we use the sides of the tongue to create a narrow space in the middle of the mouth for the air to pass through. So, that sound's pronounced as following. Y. Y. To show you slowly, so we keep the mouth nice and loose, the sides of the tongue curl up to the roof of the mouth, the front and the middle, this is something really that you must remember, the front and the middle of the mouth go up to the roof of the mouth at the beginning, and then the back of the tongue drops as you let the air through the little gap in the middle. Let me show you slowly. Sides of the tongue up to the roof of the mouth. Create that narrow space in the middle. And sound the Y sound. Y. Y. And as you do that, you should be able to feel the air going through the middle in that little gap, and the back of the tongue should drop down. That sound again. Y. Y. And those words again. You, yes and year. Your turn. Fantastic! Can you think of any more words? The words you, yes and year all have the sound Y at the beginning. Words like beyond and buoyant have the Y sound in the middle. However, there aren't any words that have the sound Y at the end. Try and think of some more, and don't forget that practice really does make perfect. That's it from me from our second session, and I'll see you next time to learn our third out of 44 sound. Don't forget, keep practicing on the Lingwiser app, the chance for you to learn English sounds very easily and very quickly. I'll see you next time. Bye!